it going, everyone? Today I have Patrick behind the camera, and it is Jess's birthday. As a little backstory of who Jess is, she is Jarrell, aka Big Head's girlfriend, for over 3 years. And over that period of time, she transitioned into becoming one of our very good, I guess you would say, best friend. So we wanted to surprise her with a birthday gift, and we didn't know exactly what to get her, so I texted Big Head, and at first he messaged me this desk on Amazon because she always does her makeup on the ground. But he also messaged me 265, 35, 18 Kenda KR20s, and there's a little joke. It's kind of true, but the G that Jarrell owns is Jess's. So I printed one receipt out, photoshopped one to put Kenda KR20s with his tire size, made it look real legit. I'll put pictures right here. You can barely tell, but I'm gonna give them that receipt first and film their reaction, see if they believe it. It's pretty believable, especially of everything I did. And then later on give the real receipt of her desk. So stay tuned. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Happy belated.
Oh shit!
We haven't seen you since your birthday.
Damn, you're right.
Would you like me to hold your jacket while you open it?
Oh, I can open it now. Oh shit, what? No way.
Yeah, realize the last piece you needed.
Yeah. I totally forgot I told you this.
Huh?
I totally forgot about mentioning this like a while back.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Dang, let me use that. Let me put that shit on right now. Dang, you got a haircut just for her birthday?
No, I made him get a haircut for
For your birthday?
It was so bad.
You ready? You can, I trust you, you do whatever.
It's all you ever talk about. 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 It's all you ever
Alright, you've been in both cars, which one's better?
Pull the door hard, pull it hard.
Alright, who's second?
I feel like yours has more speed, but his is more smooth.
His is more. Oh, yeah.
I mean, it's just.
You got stiffer spring.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, whose car's better?
Huh?
You drove both.
Way different. Can't say.
Yeah, it really is.
I could see you in this.
Really?
When you were doing that Yui, I was like, looks pretty good in that.
With the haircut.
Yeah, it was the haircut. I was like, you need that clean cut every time you drive this thing.
Crazy. I'm just gonna try it.
What?
Just because we're not deep into it yet. You're not in them guts. What is it? So what is? I've never had one of these. Like, what is this? It's an onion.
It's a
Fried onion?
Just it's like it's a whole onion. They cut it into slices, and when they fry it, it opens up.
Oh my god.
Use your knife, bro.
Remember how the G is your... I've heard you say the G's yours.
Yeah, she is so much.
Okay.
What happened?
Just open it, let him see it.
Just open it. Let me see too.
Yeah, let Michael see too.
No, fuck Michael.
See four.
Yo, what the heck? Oh, did you show hers?
Huh?
Yo, dude, you didn't have to do that.
That was mine.
Yeah, it's her present.
Oh wait,
Yeah.
oh it is yours.
Yeah, like everything.
You got 18 on Pacific.
Because I asked Jarrell what birthday present he wants. And he told me tires.
Not even my birthday.
But here's the real one.
Hey, yo, put that shit away, bro. Come see this.
What is Patrick?
No, this is fake.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get off the field,
I was
bro.
about to
I
say.
was like, yo, for real?
I photoshopped it.
That's pretty good.
It's
photo.
hella
Should have made it
good.
say something like flagrant.
Oh,
What is
Yeah,
that?
that's the real gift.
I got a desk.
Oh, nice.
I was like, yo, I'm feeling really bad right now.
This dude was like, why are they
No,
like,
look at-
tires for my car?
They're really similar. Like, I did a good job.
This is a really good Photoshop.
Oh,
We're actually
thanks,
just
guys.